Working on swapping out this Mishimoto radiator with new performance radiator. Mishimoto. Basically scrap metal is about all a Mishimoto radiator is worth. Nothing has ever given me so much trouble. Blew 2 heater cores, and then the radiator itself finally blew once I bypassed the heater core back here due to building too much pressure. My guess is based off of the radiator cap. Mishimoto makes too much pressure, their radiator caps. So I'm gonna swap it out with the good old plastic end cap performance. See how it does.